Hello there you guys, welcome back to Rolling Tongue, tu canal en español. Soy George, and before we get this video started, you guys, as usual, this is not as usual, this is new. Feliz Navidad, you guys. Thanks for watching my videos, and if you want to help me out there, just leave a comment or a question. Please subscribe or just like this video. Alright, you guys, I have plenty of videos that I need to record, and thanks to all the people who have commented. I'm kind of like writing down all the ideas, so please just give me some time and I will record a video especially for you. I see you, Andre. I know you asked for a video on Serie Star. I will record that very soon, hopefully next week, for the holidays, para las fiestas, para la Navidad. Ok, chicos, pero para este video, for this week's episode, you guys, we're going to be discussing collective nouns, sustantivos colectivos. ¿Por qué? Why? Well, because I have seen and heard recently my students making this mistake, and this is a mistake right here. La gente son bonitas, la gente son fantásticas. Now, if you take a look at that sentence, you can clearly see that we have la gente. And by the way, that's a feminine word, la gente. That's all right, that's correct. Pero la gente son, that is not correct. ¿Por qué? Porque la gente, even though it refers to a bunch of people, la gente meaning people, it is actually, the word itself is actually singular. That is why we need to go with a singular verb. So la gente es bonita, la gente es fantástica, la gente de Colombia, de Ecuador, de Venezuela, etc. es linda, chévere, amigable, etc. ¿Sí? And the same goes for the word grupo o familia. La familia es muy importante. ¿La familia son muy importante? No. It's just like in English, it's like the family is very important, no? The family are very important. Just go with that concept in mind, okay? And the same goes for police, la policía está aquí. So the police is here. We don't need to say la policía son aquí o están aquí. No, that is incorrect. Okay, you guys, and that's it. Remember, antes de olvidar, before I forget, because I have also heard this before. Persona, we have person. Personas, also, a possible form for people, personas, and that is plural. And we have gente, la gente. That is also people, but the word is singular. Okay, chicos, nos vemos. Muchas gracias y que tengan feliz semana. Chao.